Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Okay, now, this is not working, people.
As I walk through the valley, I'm not gon' fear. I've got a God that is with me, to him I will draw near.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're very much welcome. Welcome. My name is Junime, aka Thelme. Yeah, so today I decided to do, well, this video was meant to be like a spa at home pamper routine kind of video, but I just thought about the amount of time and effort it was going to take. And I've got so much stuff to do, so much content I'm trying to create, so I just thought let's start with the sugar wax and see how we get on, because to be honest, I don't even know how this is going to go. Well, I didn't know how it was going to go when I made the sugar wax. So yeah, hope you guys do enjoy the video. Let me know what you think down below. Yeah, let's get into this video. That is just too much, I can't tell you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ow! Ow! Oh! Oh my days. What did I get myself into? Oh my gosh, this is bad. Ow! Did I even get it? Oh. Well, that was painful. I do have fine tiny hairs on my upper lip. So yeah, now that we got that out of the way, now I'm just gonna steam my face. Steam opens up pores and helps loosen any buildup of dirt for a deeper cleanse. Yeah, so after this I'm just gonna wash my face and then apply my creams and oils and that. But I just wanted to tell you that my next video is going to be about how I'm clearing my hyperpigmentation and how I am dealing with hormonal and cystic acne, because it's really bad. As you can see around my jawline and chin area, it is a mess because I am having the worst case of like hormonal acne and cystic acne. It's really bad. So I'm just gonna be telling you guys how I'm dealing with it in my next video, and if it's not the next video, it's the video after that. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. So hormonal acne affects women between the ages of 20 to 29, and as you get older, hormonal imbalances may contribute to acne, and obviously menstruation is a contributing factor. You know, during puberty, hormonal acne, you know, it appears in the T-zone, but hormonal adult acne is on the lower part of your face, so that's what I'm dealing with. Okay guys, so to make the sugar wax, I used granulated sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice as long as it's made from sugar cane. So to measure, I used a cup. So what you like to do is have 1 cup of sugar and 1/8 of water. So it would be 8 parts sugar and 1 part water. I probably put a quarter in this cup, I don't know, but yeah, it's meant to be 1/8 of the cup Okay, so you will also need 2 large tablespoons of lemon juice. I put about, I think, 3 tablespoons. Don't judge me, because I'm just used to winging it and see how it goes. But yeah, just 2 tablespoons of lemon juice is fine. Okay, so you need to put on high heat until it starts to bubble up. The last time I tried it, the consistency was not right because I did not use the thermometer. So this is a very important step. The last time I made it, it was all gooey and very sticky, and it ended up being rock hard and turned into a ball of sweet, like a sweet. So the moral of the story is, if you want the mixture to have the perfect consistency, a thermometer is your best friend. Okay? Okay, so after putting the thermometer in, I will wait till it gets to 260 Fahrenheit, not Celsius, 260, and then I'll just put it in a jar afterwards and leave it to cool down, at least 20 to 30 minutes to cool down, and don't cover it until it cools down, because the heat might build up pressure and crack it. Extremely hot, like really really hot. It will burn like hell, so let it cool down for at least 30 to an hour even. If you want to remove any spillage or sticky bits, use warm water to wash it off. But this is what it looks like after waiting for it to cool down. Just depends on what you want. You can actually have it solid if you wanted to, and I think you just have to do your research on which type of wax you want, whether you want it to be soft or sticky or hard. Yeah, well, I just thought I'll have a not so solid one because of the previous experience I had with the rock hard wax. So yeah. Okay, so let's get into the fun part of the video. So what you need is paper wax strips and waxing spatulas. Okay, so just because the consistency of the mixture was a little bit thinner than I actually thought, so I just had to wait till like the next day to do the waxing. So I tried to do it in the night when I made the wax, and I thought I'll just wait till the next day and see if the mixture will go a bit hard, a tiny bit hard. Okay, so as you can see, the process is not very smooth, and the paper wax strip is not really pulling the wax properly. So I kept having to reapply the paper wax to actually take off the wax. So yeah, it was not going so well, and this was my first time trying it. So yeah. Okay, so I tried it again the next day, and I only had to microwave the wax for like 10 seconds, and it was much better than it was the previous night. So as you can see, it's applying a bit better, and it's a bit gooey, and like just the perfect way that you should have it. So yeah, this is me trying to do it again. Well, that was much better than before. So yeah, we managed to do it, guys. I've got such fine hair, so you can't really see it on the wax strip, but there is hair. I promise you, there is hair. As you can see, it's there. Okay. Okay, so you can also powder the skin to ensure that it is dry and free from sweat and without moisture on the skin for the wax to do its job. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys this. So when sugar waxing, you have to go against the growth of your hair. I've done some research, and this is how you do sugar wax, and it's not the normal way of waxing. So you apply the sugar wax against the hair growth, and then press the strip against the hair growth, the same direction, and then pull the strip in the direction of the hair growth to prevent ingrown hairs. And yeah, so I've pretty much waxed all over my body, and I'm just taking off a few hairs that were left, just a tiny bit of hairs, and yeah, and that's it. And also when you wax, when you sugar wax regularly, you make sure you scrub and exfoliate your skin so that when hairs grow, it doesn't, they don't get trapped and turn into an ingrown hair under a layer of dead skin. So yeah, so make sure you exfoliate and scrub your skin. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, I'm just doing my armpits. And also when I washed this off, I put aloe vera gel and some oils. And that's for everywhere where I've waxed. I'm gonna put aloe vera gel to soothe my skin and to soothe any redness and all of that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you did enjoy it, and give it a thumbs up and give me any tips down below on how to sugar wax. If I've done it right, if I've done it wrong, let me know down below. So yeah, thank you so much, and bye for now.